Welcome back to Beck's Travelling Life. We're exploring the stunning North Cornish coast, from the golden sands of Constantine Bay to an unforgettable cliffside sunset party. We'll also head down to discover the hidden beauty of Bedruthan Steps and the iconic Bedruthan Steps from the beach. Let's dive in.
We are in
What's it called?
Constantine Bay. Just been for another little swim.
Very nice.
Tide is in, as you can see. So just going to go and have a chill now.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come.
Constantine Bay is a true gem of the Seven Bays. It is well known for its expansive golden sandy beach that stretches out at low tide, creating this incredible playground for both families and surfers. What's fascinating is that the area is actually backed by a large system of sand dunes. These dunes have been here for centuries and act as a natural barrier, protecting the landscape and adding to that raw, rugged Cornish feel. What you're seeing here is ancient Cornish slate, formed over 300 million years ago. These dramatic layers were once mud on the seafloor, eventually crushed and baked by massive tectonic forces. It's this incredible geological history that gives our coastline its rugged, jagged beauty. The clarity of the water here is just unreal. Looking down from above, you can really see the patterns in the seabed and those vibrant emerald tones that make this stretch of the North Cornish coast so special.
How are we going to go and get parking?
Where's the dune?
Yeah, it's meant to be sand dunes. We are now at North Cotton Beach. Hopefully going to fly the drone. Hey Rob.
Yeah, maybe. See what the signal's like.
Yeah, we tried flying it at what was the beach? Constantine, but we could only fly 50 meters because we couldn't connect because there was no signal.
There's no satellite. It's not enough satellite.
Yeah, something like that anyway.
Porth Cotton is such a hidden gem. Seeing the Atlantic swell roll in like this, you really get a feel for why it's a favourite for local surfers. The contrast between the emerald water and the dramatic coastline is just spectacular. This is the beauty of flying a drone. You get to see parts of the coast that are completely tucked away. Look at these hidden beaches. They're inaccessible when the tide is in, and while you might spot them from the cliff paths, the view from up here gives you a completely different perspective on how they're carved into the landscape.
So back at the van, and we're absolutely shattered, aren't we?
Steaks and tomatoes.
Out of reach for the city.
Dinner is served.
Thank you very much.
Where are you eating that then? You eating it at the table?
Right where I am.
Nice. Salmon, rice with leeks and tomatoes, glass of wine and a bottle of beer.
Yeah.
With that view. Can't beat it.
Taster time.
Taste of time. Yeah? Good?
Yeah. Good. Lovely.
Cool. Enjoy.
What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight.
I think somebody enjoyed their tea. Flat out. He was just snoring.
So we think there might be some live music just up the road. in the campsite called bedruthansteps.com. Hiya. Humphrey.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines.
Aww.
So offshore,
Hello, you.
playful and free,
Oh, yeah.
without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl.
Is there live music on here tonight? There is. Whereabouts is that then? Is it? Alright, cool. Thank you. You can't take your drinks in either. No, I'm just going to find out. Yeah, how much are the tickets?
£20.
20, okay.
But it's the last. How many of you?
Just the two of us.
Two of us.
Yeah. Oh, mightn't you?
2 hours left.
Oh, is there?
Oh, is
okay,
there?
we weren't sure what time it started actually.
Well, it's
So how
12
much?
left and then we're playing the football. So there's
Oh,
actually
okay.
4 hours left.
Ah,
Yeah,
right.
so
So,
we can-
so the 30, you got the 30 on.
Yeah, we're playing football from 10.
Okay.
And from like 9:45 it is free entry to watch the football.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Right, go
So
on, listen
what
to me.
are you saying
So
there? That much?
you're looking at 15, ain't you, for both of us? Is that what you're saying? You might as well cash.
Oh, wicked, nice one. Yeah, so we're happy with that, aren't we?
Yeah.
Result.
£15 for both of us to come in, live music, and another result. We get to look
Rob
at
gets to watch the football.
in front of the ocean
Yeah.
with a view of,
They were really nice ladies as
Bedruthan
well, weren't
Steps.
they?
and what more could you ask
And it
for?
said no food or drink. And look, they just didn't even say anything.
What more could you ask for?
I love this place. Here we go. The sun is on its way down. Golden hour is approaching.
And look what we've got for the rest of the evening, guys.
He's getting really confident with his YouTubing, isn't he?
I've had sleep.
Guys. Bless you. You need a microphone next, don't you? I've got a spare, Rob. I've got a spare, don't
How
worry.
you tell me?
What do you think it's going to be tonight? Are you filming?
I am for YouTube.
Oh, very nice. What's the channel?
Bex Travelling Life.
Bex Travelling. And you're Bex.
I am Bex.
Hello,
This is Rob. Nice to meet you.
On Twitter.
Morning, everybody. So after a great night last night at Bedruthan Steps.com, they had a live band, and then a bit of a DJ, didn't they, last
Yeah.
night? And then
the football.
and then we watched the football for the first half. So we've decided this morning to come and check out this tidal pool at Trearnan Bay. So apparently you access it. Oh, look at my hair today. It needs a good wash. It's the seawater. Not yesterday. So apparently you access it from the beach, and the beach is pretty much empty because it's 8:10 in the morning. Oh, look at this beach, Rob. Like, yeah.
Very quiet this morning.
So yeah, I'm not sure if it's here or there. Morning, doggy.
that was nice, wasn't it?
So this one is like jumping up.
Oh, can you? Alright, I'll come and have a look. Well, we really enjoyed that.
Yeah,
Very nice.
certainly woke me up.
You are now hangover free.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
This channel is the result of thousands of years of relentless wave action. Because the rock here is heavily faulted, the Atlantic has been able to exploit these weaknesses, carving out this narrow passage between Diggory Island and the mainland. It's a powerful example of coastal erosion in action, constantly reshaping the shoreline with every incoming tide.
Another deserted beach. Pretty spectacular, aren't they, these rocks?
These aren't just random rocks, they're famous sea stacks, each with its own name and history. From north to south, they're known as Queen Bess, Samaritan Island, Red Cove Island, Pendarves Island, and Carnarvon Island. They were carved out over millennia as the sea eroded the softer rock around them, leaving behind these resilient pillars of slate. There's even an old legend that a giant named Bedruthan used them as stepping stones to cross the bay.
So the battery is running very low. We have to return home promptly, but it was about to land on the cliff. So Rob is now having to land it somewhere on the beach, and we'll have to go and find it, won't we? Do you know what you're doing? Do you know where it's landed?
It won't land.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
I don't know where the home point is.
Back on that rock.
What rock?
Back down there.
Oh, was it?
Return to home.
Oh, just let it return to home then, and we'll go and find it. Are you sure? Do you want to watch it? It looked like it was going on the cliff.
I don't know.
So Rob is off running in the distance to try and find the drone. We think it's landed where it took off, but we're not sure. And the tide is coming in. Oh my God! Go on, Rob. So that was really quite worrying. I'm hoping he's found it. Either he's going to come running back in a minute saying it's not bloody there, or he'll come running back with a smile on his face. Oh, dearie me. Have you got it? Hey? I'm not sure if he's got it. Have you got it? Woo! Did it? So it did go home then?
So at least if we do panic, press hit home and just let it go.
Yeah. That was worrying, wasn't it?
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, fair play to you running back. Anyway, we got our drone back. Woo! So let's go and look at this cave, shall we?
Yes.
Rob's just said if we got cut off by the tide, you could actually climb out of here, but let me check this out behind me. Can you see how steep that is? There's no way I'm climbing up there, mate. No chance. I think I'd rather sit it out and wait. So we're just wondering if we can get to Morgan Porth, because Morgan Porth is the next bay round from the beach that we're on, but we don't know if the tide is going to be out far enough. It's not, but there's a guy in the sea over there. How did he get down, and is he going to get back in time? Because he's quite far away. Let's have a look. We don't want to leave, do we?
No.
This beach is absolutely stunning. Just very peaceful.
Very cool.
I could live here. We just need a lift on the side of the cliff, don't we? I've got to show you this. Look at the greens. I know it's seaweed, but look how green it is. Mental. Never seen seaweed looking so green. It's almost luminous. I've just collected these from the beach. Don't know about you, but I love collecting little pebbles or shells. And they come home with me to go in my bathroom, on my windowsill. I just love the colours. Okay, so this is the end of another video. I hope you guys have all enjoyed it. We're going to get off now, go and make some breakfast in the van, and then head back home to Gloucester. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.
See you guys.